Let's take a closer look at this product. These 3-inch lights. They are made out of aluminum. They've been painted, obviously. They have a plastic inner ring to let the light radiate out, or kind of give it a, I guess, to make sure the light doesn't like bounce everywhere. They're kind of going to direct the light. It does look a little cheesy. It does look kind of plastic in there. But for the most part, the product itself feels very robust. It's got some weight to it. It is pretty sleek in design. They're all about the same, but for the most part, it does feel like a very good product. I do hope that the plastic plexiglass, I hope this does hold up and doesn't get condensation inside. And then you'll get amber or yellow, and you should be able to go between the two of them, period, to where you'll have just amber only and or white only. So also within this box, it has all the brackets, mounting equipment. It does not come with anything to mount as far as on your Jeep.